हेलो।
हेलो सर, गुड
गुड
गुड इवनिंग सर।
इवनिंग। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? एवरीथिंग इज
आई एम फाइन सर। हाउ आर यू सर?
फाइन फाइन, आई एम फाइन।
यस सर।
What are the languages which are common in your place? English and Hindi is there or not that much?
Hindi and English
अच्छा, Hindi and English. Okay.
and local languages also.
Here we have Telugu.
Yes sir.
Telugu,
I know.
Telugu
Yeah.
plus English plus Hindi plus Urdu.
Yes sir.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
have watched your some of videos in Telugu also.
Very nice, very nice. Uh, shall we start or we'll wait for other people?
Yes sir. Yeah. We can
Okay.
start now.
Okay. So this is the second class of drafting. In the first class, we had learned about the docket, sorry, the cause title and the docket.
Yes sir.
Okay. So now we will go more deeply. I will open a draft. I will share my screen. Share.
Here are some other member also
Okay, okay.
joining. Yeah.
Most welcome. Should I click somewhere and take them in? Ta, ta, ta. Oh, yeah, she's Sister Kausar. She's an advocate. She works with us in Hyderabad. So she has joined. The screen sharing. Are you able to see my entire screen?
Yes sir. Yes.
Okay, so to draft a writ petition, we will go with the already made writ petition. After we have a look at that, we will go for drafting the writ petition. So
Yes
first we
sir.
are seeing the completed product. Hmm. In this case, we are having tomorrow in court hall number 19. Item is 12.
Yes sir.
We are opening it. So this is the High Court of Telangana, Hyderabad, case number. Now this is the running index. In running index, what are the things? First is service certificate. Service certificate means it's a blank page on which it is written service certificate. We have to get it signed or stamped by the GP, PP or standing counsel in the High Court. We are looking at a writ
Yes.
petition of High Court. So that is service certificate. Then coming to court fees. Court fees today in the High Court, it is 100 rupees per petitioner.
Hello.
Hello Vivek Bhai, how are you?
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, but your voice is not coming clear. Can you speak some
No.
louder or maybe some changes in
Ah,
the speaker?
okay, okay. I'll pull it nearby. 1 second. Mm. Now am I a little bit more audible?
Not now, sir. I am the Rahmanji. You are listening clearly?
Yeah, yeah. I'm listening. You try to disconnect and reconnect once again. Maybe it would work.
Okay, sir. You will continue.
I'll
If
continue.
I have any problem, then I will see in the YouTube.
Yeah, that's also fine. So we are into the second serial number, court fees. The court fees for writ petition is 100 rupees per petitioner and 30 rupees for respondent. So if there are, say, 4 petitioners and 4 respondents, it will be petitioner into 100, 400, respondent 30 into 4, 120,
120.
400 plus 120, 520 will be the court fees for writ petition. This is in Telangana. From state to state, it may vary. And from time to time, the government may keep on increasing or decreasing the court fees. Then you have the main writ petition. In the main writ petition, you will have affidavit, and prayer. We'll go into it more in detail in the next few pages. Then we have annexure or annexure. In annexure, you will have the same story which is there in the affidavit, but it will be in the third person point of view. In affidavit, you write everything I humbly submit, I humbly submit, or I respectfully submit. And on every page, the petitioner will sign. But in the annexure 1 and 2, you write it as a third person. The petitioner submits, the petitioner. And it will be shorter and it will be written in boxes. So what happens is when the order is passed, if the judge, honorable judge wants to include the arguments of the petitioner advocate and the respondent advocate, they will copy and paste from the annexure 1 and 2 that the counsel for petitioner has argued so and so. Then you have affidavit and verification. In affidavit, the same story of annexure, but I humbly submit in first person, and the petitioner signs on every page. Verification. Verification is the petitioner says, मैं जो भी बोल रहा हूँ सच बोल रहा हूँ, whatever I am saying is correct, and he signs it. Then you have material papers. In material papers, you can attach any government document related to the matter. If it is about land, you can attach sale deed, construction permission, property tax, electricity bill, water bill. If it is related to getting admission into medical seat, for example, you can attach 10th, intermediate, pass certificates, MSET rank card, MSET hall ticket. If it is related to, there's a policeman who's retired and he's not being giving pension. So you have to add his service certificate, his appointment letter, his resignation letter, or his termination letter. If any inquiry has happened on him, the inquiry letter. If it's a conductor, similar to the policeman because he's a government employee. So the documents related to that situation. In this, we have attached copy of disability certificate, copy of latest OP slip from the hospital, copy of legal representation addressing to the authorities with proof. In this, you have two options. Either the petitioner can give a representation to the department and take a stamp, or he can do registered post, RPAD, registered post acknowledgement due. Then proof of part payment by the petitioner through phone pay. So in this, there was some transaction. So the phone pay GPay payment is there. Then pre-NPA notices issued by respondent. This is related to bank loan matter. So before declaring it as a non-performing asset, the notices were given. Those we are attaching dated so and so. Copy of loan sanction letter. Loan was sanctioned to the petitioner. That letter. Copy of pre-NPA notices issued by respondent 2 and 3. Then copy of Aadhaar card, PAN card. In the last, you will get Wakalatnama. Then you have respondent sheets in which the respondent names and addresses will be there. Now we are going more in detail. Mandamus, Memorandum of Writ Petition, Special Original Jurisdiction. Why this is Special Original Jurisdiction? Yesterday I had told, no? High Court is for two purposes. Original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction.
Appellate jurisdiction.
In a original jurisdiction, if your fundamental rights are being stopped by any department of government, you go with primary jurisdiction, original jurisdiction, under Article 226 of Constitution of India, High Court of Telangana. After it is filed, writ petition number you can write with pen. Then this is the petitioner's name. Respondents whom we have made, PNB Housing Finance Limited, their address. Regional manager PNB, their address. Because the loan was between PNB, it could be with ICICI, it could be with anything. There's no, PNB is a good bank, we are not saying anything negative about it. Then National Housing Bank, Lodhi Road, Delhi. Then these are the respondents. Now you write, till now what happened? Court name, case number, party name.
Case number, party
Including,
name.
yeah, Until here, what do you call it? Cause
Cause title.
first.
Title.
Then you have addresses. The address for service for of the above named petitioners is that of his counsel so and so. The number and name and address of advocates will be written. Now, this is the main prayer. It is therefore prayed that the Honorable Court may be pleased to issue writ or direction, particularly in the nature of mandamus, declaring the action of respondent 1 and 2 in issuing NPA notices dated so and so, reference so and so, branding me as the defaulter on NSL platform, and threatening recovery proceedings under SurfaceI Act of 2002 without considering my mental disability, financial hardship as violation of Article 1421 of Constitution of India. Whenever you are writing the prayer, preferably you must see if any articles of Constitution you are able to incorporate in that, so that it will have more impact on the judge's mind, and also that is the purpose for which High Court is established, so that the articles of Constitution are given to the people. Then consequently direct the respondent 1 and 2 to withdraw NPA notices. Counsel for petitioner. Here the advocate has to sign. Hyderabad, city name. For you it will come Guwahati. Date.
Yes.
Then we are going down. This is the docket. Court name, case number,
Case number. Party name.
party names, and this is the advocate name. Then you have Annexure 1, chronological events. Every new thing which starts in the writ petition, again you have to write the court name, case number. In this box, we have 4 columns: serial number, date, story or description, and then page number in affidavit. The same thing which we wrote above, it is written the first respondent in housing company. They have taken a loan so and so. Loan was not paid on time. So respondent issued pre-NPA notices. Then coercive actions were taken without providing opportunity to be heard. Then, despite delivery of the representation, respondent proceeded with further coercive steps. The respondent 2 and 3 gave again pre-NPA notices via email. I have been subjected to so and so. This is Annexure 2 under Article 226 Constitution of India. Signature of the client. Then again you have the same thing: High Court of Telangana, WP number, party name, respondent names, and then affidavit. I so and so, son of so and so, plot number so and so. In the affidavit, everything will be I am the petitioner, I am the respondent, I humbly submit, I availed a loan of so and so. I submit that at the time of sanction, I was in stable health and gainful employment. Therefore, I was diagnosed with medical issues by so and so hospital. Certificate was given. This has impacted my capacity to earn. Therefore, pre-NPA notices uploaded defaulter in e-governance services limited platform on so and so as defaulter is arbitrary. RPAD was done to New Delhi. This is the tracking number. Despite delivery of the above, pre-NPA notices via email have been coming, and then notices reiterating earlier threats under SurfaceI Act were given. Notwithstanding my illness, in spite of my illness, they are giving me notices and they are making me NPA. I am the sole earning member of the family due to my health condition. In the circumstances stated above, I submit that no other remedy except approach the Honorable High Court. Therefore, I pray this Honorable Court to issue writ, more particularly in the writ of mandamus, declaring so and so. This is the main prayer. This is the interim prayer, and then verification statement. जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ सच बोल रहा हूँ. And then you have the documents related to it, the certificate, the health certificate, the medical, prescriptions and all. So that was the thing. Now we will go for the pre-draft file. Whenever you have to make a draft of writ petition, we'll name it pre-writ petition draft. In the pre-writ petition draft, we will enlist the petitioner one name, son of or daughter of, age, occupation, address, resident of. Then if there is another petitioner, the same thing, name, dot, 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 dot. Third petitioner, name, dot, dot, dot. Fourth petitioner, name, dot, dot, dot. Then we will go to enlist the respondents. Generally, when you are going for a writ petition in the Honorable High Court, the first respondent will be the state represented by Principal Secretary. The state of Telangana represented by Principal Secretary. It could be different, like if it is related to criminal matter, you have to write Principal Secretary Home. It could be Principal Secretary Electricity Department, Principal Secretary Municipality and Urban Development, Principal Secretary Water Supply, Principal Secretary Transportation, Principal Secretary, whatever is the department by which you are aggrieved. The first party, the first respondent will be State of Telangana represented by Principal Secretary.
I,
Yeah.
highest authority will come chronologically first. Yes, sir.
And the names should be enlisted from big to small. If you put it from small to big also, legally it is not wrong, but it does not look good and the responsibility begins with the bigger authority, no? So you have to start with the principal secretary, then you have to come to the head of that department, then the people who are implementing. So principal secretary home, if this was a WP related to criminal thing, then we'll have the station house officer, PS, let us go say Narsinghi, PS Narsinghi, SHO PS Narsinghi, represented by the GP home, government pleader home, situated at High Court of Telangana. Then we have to end with PIN code 500066. Then if the aggrieved party is also having a dispute related to this writ petition with another individual who is not part of the government, then you can enlist the unofficial respondents. Unofficial respondents. Then you will go for affidavit. Affidavit.
Sir, should I name that party that is not a part of government as
Yeah.
unofficial
Hmm,
respondent in bracket? Yeah.
Like for example, tell me your friend's name is here Vivek. No, say Vivek has done something wrong on you by taking the help of the police department in a wrong way. So
Yes.
your first respondents will be the government, then will be the SHO, then will be Mr. Vivek.
Yes.
So that is we don't write unofficial respondent. We will write here say Vivek, Mr. Vivek, son of Mr. So and so, age about 25 years, occupation law student, resident of Guwahati. The entire address has to be written, and the unofficial respondent statement need not be written. Our
Okay.
unofficial respondent here is Mr. Vivek. Then we go
Yes.
for affidavit. Affidavit is the story which has happened. I humbly submit that I am. Here you'll write petitioner's name. Petitioner's name. I'll try to expand it. Yeah, if I make it bigger, it's good for you. I humbly submit. This is the affidavit, point number 1. I humbly submit that I am the petitioner's name, occupation, age, resident of. I am the first petitioner in this case, and I am. Well, 1 second, I just got a phone. Hello, sister. OTP, एक second, OTP किधर है? 9016 6
सर 4 डिजिट का होना चाहिए सर
9016
ओके सर थैंक यू
Okay, sister. I'm sorry for the disturbance. I humbly submit that I am well acquainted with the facts of the case. Then, point number 2. I am writing this on behalf of all the petitioners as the cause of action and events were the same. Then you go into the facts of the story. The affidavit part, mainly your client will tell you. You will not bring it out from your mind or your heart. Whatever the client comes and tells you, okay? For example, he applied for construction permission, but he didn't get. So he will say that on 1st January, I applied for construction permission. I made a challan of 10,000 rupees. I submitted to this officer. Then I went on 20th January. Still, they did not give me the construction permission. Then I did a registered post. So this story which the client tells you, that has to come in affidavit. We'll write here story, but actually these are the facts which the client has told you. Point number 4, story. Then you will go for prayer. This is a pre-written draft. Prayer. In the circumstances stated above, the Honorable Court may be pleased to issue a writ of mandamus instructing so and so officer to do so and so work in the interest of justice. Is it okay? Then
Yes,
we
sir.
can go for interim prayer. In interim prayer, what we are asking is, until this case is disposed or dismissed, presently give us this relief. In it is further prayed that until the disposal of this petition, so and so relief may be granted to the petitioner by respondent number, for example, 3. Or let's take respondent number 2. This is your interim prayer. Then what you have? Advocate name and addresses. Let us make Vivek as the advocate in this. Vivek bhai, please tell me your full name. Okay, he has sound issues, no? We'll take
Yes, sir.
advocate as Vivek, and we'll write his his computer code. Computer code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll write his address for service, his office address. 1-1-1 A. This is his address. Then we'll go for his phone number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we saved this document. We have a pre-writ file ready. Now the only thing which we have to do is bring it into the correct format. One of my students, Mr. Suhail, is also about to make a software for drafting. But until then, you can
Yes, sir.
Google various softwares are there which you can download and get it drafted. One which I'm using, I'll use that and show you. This is the software. Now in this, I'm writing the petitioner's name. From where I copy from pre-writ. Control C, Control V. Respondent addresses. Control C, Control V. Main prayer. Main prayer. Control C. Main prayer, Control V. Interim prayer. Now I'm not thinking, I'm just implementing it. The thinking part was
Yes, sir.
in pre-writ. First petitioner's name. First petitioner's name I copied from here. I pasted here. First respondent's name. State of Telangana. You can write here state of Guwahati is a state or it is the city?
City. It's
City,
city,
city.
sir.
Okay. So then you'll call it the High Court of which state?
Guwahati.
High Court of Guwahati.
Guwahati,
Okay, okay. So
Assam, Nagaland.
Assam, Nagaland. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Deponent's verification. Control C, Control V. Then district name. Tell the name of any district in Guwahati.
Borpeta.
BAR,
BARPETA.
BAR,
CETA.
CETA.
P for Punjab. P for
Acha.
Punjab.
PARPETA.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Date of filing today is 4th, so we'll go for 05/08/2025. Advocate name will write here. We were making Vivek, no? Vivek, where are
Yes.
details? Advocate details are here. Advocate name, advocate address. Control C. Delete the previous thing and paste here. Then we have here also. You paste it here. Then I am pressing the button create new. It is saying okay. The document has come here, Control S. Desktop. I am saving it in the desktop. This is Vivek WP1 desktop. I will say okay. I'll minimize this. I'll say okay. This is the thing. High Court of Telangana WP number 25. Between. Acha, can you see how many number of pages are here in the Word document? This side, left side, bottom. Page number 1 to.
Yes, sir.
It's 32 pages. 1 to 32. So the software has converted our one page into the format of writ petition, which is coming to 32 pages.
Yes, sir.
So with the advent of
Sir,
AI,
I have a question, sir. How can we get that software
I will
for
give
our
you,
use?
I will give you the number now. They cost something like 5,000. It is a
Yes, sir.
one-time expense.
Yes,
And first try to search somebody who can sell you in Guwahati, because in many states people will be making the software. If there is some issue, technical issue, you have to phone him to Hyderabad. If he's of the same city, more better. But until then, you can use it. So this repetition checklist has come automatically. Then this is the A 1234 is the advocate's name and phone number for office use only. Then you have again cause title, court name, WP number. This is the index. In index, you have service certificate. What was service certificate? To get the sign and stamp of GPPP Standing Council.
send me concept.
Court fees. What was
For
court fees in one writ petition? Per petitioner, 100.
100,
Per respondent,
30 rupees.
30 rupees. Perfect. Writ petition, annexure, affidavit, verification. Material papers, you will just write P1, P2, P3. Whatever is there, we have to write. Say it is related to registration. We'll put here sale deed. We'll put here construction permission. We'll put here property tax receipt. And P4, P5, P6 we don't need, we'll delete it. Till P10 we don't need. Shift select and then I'll say
What
delete.
is the difference, sir, between annexure and affidavit?
Annexure and affidavit both are same thing in principle. There is the difference in which in affidavit everything is written. I humbly submit. I
As a part?
petitioner
Yeah,
is in the first person. My.
okay.
In annexure, it is in third person. The petitioner, the petitioner. And
Yes,
in annexure, it will be more concise. In affidavit, it will be more in detail. And if the
yes, sir.
honorable judge wants to include your arguments in the order, he will instruct the typist to copy and paste paragraph 1 from the annexure, paragraph 2 from the annexure, and the order will read that the learned counsel for petitioner has argued that so and so so and so.
Yes, sir.
Then you have wakalat, respondents, date, counsel for petitioner, you have to sign here. Also insert page numbers. Insert page number, because once you print it out, there will be a lot of confusion. Insert page number, service certificate, see, proof of service. We have served the copies of writ petition, affidavit, writ petition, miscellaneous petition, and material papers on the other side counsel, government pleader, or public prosecutor, or standing counsel. Date, counsel for petitioner. Below this, the signature and stamp of GPPP has to be there. Again, this is the cause title, High Court of Telangana, WP number so and so, party names, court fees. Welfare fees was 100. Now it has been made to 250 rupees. Then,
Sir, I have a question.
yeah.
The service copy will be provided via the administrative authority of High Court, or
Yeah, it will be fixed by the administrative authority of High Court. And usually in all the states, it should be very similar. Even if there is some difference, it should be nominal. It will not be like 100 in Telangana and 2000 in Guwahati or 20 rupees. It will be similar
yes,
only.
sir.
All the states are similar to each other. So
Okay.
in your state also 99% it should be same, but once you check it. Then court fees, 100 for petitioner, 30 for respondent. Multiply here, write here, do the challan in the bank, attach the bank challan here. Then memorandum of writ petition, special original jurisdiction, fundamental rights, primary jurisdiction, 226 Constitution of India, between party names, court name, case number, party names is equal to again past title.
Perfect.
Respondents, the address for service of the above named petitioners is that of their council name. Here Vivek name was to be placed. Then for this is the main prayer. For the stated reason stated in the accompanied affidavit, it is hereby prayed that this honorable court may be pleased in the circumstances stated above. The honorable court may be pleased to issue writ of mandamus instructing so and so officer to do so and so work in the interest of justice, and pass other orders which the court may deem fit and just and proper in the circumstances of the case, date, place, signature of advocate. Then we go down. This is the docket. On any page, if you see information written only on the right half, it is docket page. This is the Barpeta district, on which district your case is being done. High Court for the state of Telangana. Guwahati should have come there because Barpeta is in Guwahati. Lupi number, party names. Docket of writ petition. Annexure. List of events. In annexure, you will copy and paste whatever you have written in the affidavit, but it will be in a more concise manner. Instead of I, you will write the petitioner. We will copy it from below. Annexure 2, Constitution of India, Council for Petitioner, cause title again, affidavit. Affidavit things I will copy from here because we have to paste in the annexure.
Annexure.
Yeah, Control C. Where is the annexure? Annexure is here. I did Control V. Now, the font, let us change the font like this. I submit that. I am deleting I because we want to go to third person. Petitioner submits. The petitioner. The petitioner hearing so and so. I further submit. I'll remove I and I'll write the petitioner. But this is the second point, no? So I'll put this in the next box. Shift Control X. I have put it into second box. Then this was para number 1. This was para number 3. So our annexure is over. I'll delete these extra boxes. If the story is bigger, more boxes we can add. Annexure 2, Article 226, date, place, counsel for petitioner, routine work. Then we have again cause title, affidavit. I am the dash petitioner. I am the first petitioner. First petitioner. This is the affidavit story. This has only come to 2 points because we didn't have a live scenario. We'll take a live scenario and do it in the third class. But for here, we have 2 points. You are at least getting to know the format. Story, whatever the client says, he can speak 1 page, he can speak 10 pages, and you have to write it down. Then this is the main prayer. Then it is further prayed. From here you have the interim prayer. Further prayed until the disposal of the petition. Last page corresponds deponent, before me advocate, verification. मैं जो भी बोल रहा हूँ सच बोल रहा हूँ, सच के अलावा कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I am speaking the truth. Deponent signature, advocate signature. Then you have original appellate side, IA docket. Oh, sorry. This is the Wakalatnama. In Wakalatnama, you have here the court name. The name, the petitioner, appoint and retain advocate Vivek. Computer